this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to bring in an XREF file from a different project inside of FieldGenius, so an existing project within your FieldGenius library. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head into my project data menu, and within said menu I'm going to click on the handily named XREF, and you can see here at the top of the screen I'm already selected on the projects option, and that's indicating that I have all of the XREFs available from any of my projects that I can now import if I want to build off of them in my project that I'm currently working in. So you can see here at the top of the screen that I have the A. Jackson Patrick option selected right now, so that one's already in my project, and if I want to add any of these other projects, all I have to do is ensure that the checkbox is selected, and if I want to remove one, all I have to do is make sure that box is unchecked. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a second option to my menu, and once added here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to back all the way out to my survey screen so I can show you guys where you can find these projects so that you can enable them in your existing project here. So what I'm going to do is once I'm all the way to my survey screen is on the left side, I'm going to make sure my menu is expanded outwards, and then I have the third option for my surfaces or XREFs or whatever else I'm working on in my project here open, and you can see here that I have the two options that I checked off earlier available with two little eyes, so I can turn them on or off, whether they are visible or invisible, and I'm ready to work on them however I so please in my project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you add an XREF file from an existing project to the project you're currently working on inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.